Dirtman again. And this is the second part. It's finally got the backhoe out in this yard. And what they're going to be attempting to do is this tree right here. This tree that I'm pointing the camera at, it's very dead and it's got to go. But look how tall it is. It's a very tall tree. Now they're saying they can pull this tree down without hitting this fence. Let's watch. Now the Dirtman, aka Brian, is going to be alright. There we go. There's the chain. You see the chain, right? Right there. There's the chain right there. Now, here they go. Nope, it's coming undone. Oh, here it comes. On my... Ooh. Oh! Damn! And what did we say? They got the fence, guys. He did that. That operator right there is the one to blame.
Well, they took the fence out. I told them it would.
Yeah. But you can see this pretty fence.
We did all right. We only took out 2 sections of fence.
Hey, look, this piece is still good.
We only took out 2 sections of fence, Uncle Gene. We did good. We did damn good.
All right, now you see how big this tree is.
We didn't even hit a post.
Look how dead this sucker is.
Now you want to do what? Run it by me.
I want to pull up there, run that chain around that tree there, so they can throw it, take that tree up, and pull that tree back.
Okay. That's a little shit and stuff. We'll burn this shit. Oh, I guess we did take out 1 fence post.
Yeah. Watch out. Hello?
Hey, get that off. Move out of the way.
Alright. Watch your head, honey.
Save as much of that board as you can. No, I just busted the whole damn thing. Over here. All these boards are done, babe.
We'll have to go to the sawmill to get it.
But it only took out 2 sections. Would have landed on that pump and would have been stuck. You know what I'm saying? Or if some bitch would have hit the house, would have been stuck. Because that's the one that's threatening the fence, falling on the house, and eating and squeaking and rocking. And you know it's just a matter of time, somebody's dead in hell. And we've only got the machine for a little while. And that was well, we got to get the machine. I was right. But I have to take it. That's only fucking it's a 1x4.
Well, then you can go argue your dad with that. He wants the same fucking doors put back up. And you want to get them from the sawmill, and then it'll be stained.
I can stain them. We got stains. Stain for the house. So he's all mad at me now, I guess. That's perfect. That's perfect.
Take your chain off when we get rid of this here, and then I'll come back and get that.
All right.
And the chain's off like that.
You need yes. Let me wrap that little one on now.
Is that post still good, or is it busted?
I was busted off the bone. But a lot of these are all these metal plates. Maybe they get like we've done the rest. But the post is still good, it's still solid from ground to the top. But the metal post is big one. So it was kind of weak right there anyway. I didn't have a post. But I think I found a couple of posts down there in the barn. So that's gonna be no problem. Yeah, do it the same way and then you fucking paint. Because if you paint this, paint this with green, paint them burning, it would all disappear. And now we get worried about this son of a bitch falling on the house or falling in the fucking pump, you know. Imagine if it fell in the well. Right? You talking about some real money? That's real fucking money. I'll take out the fucking power line. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. How much you figure? 6 pieces of wood. Or 6 timbers versus $1,500 is no comparison. And there was no way to take it down. I lassoed it as high up as I could. And Uncle Gene said he figured it might break. It might break off, and then we'd be sitting in high cotton. He didn't do it. He just upset. Right. He's upset because that's money. Yeah. better than all kinds of money being busted. All kinds of money. But see, them boards are tore up. They ain't used up, Those are done. Oh, I see what you're saying. Well, the post, there's only one post. It only took one post down. Right here. Yeah. That's why that road did over here. See, it's over in the ground about that much.
Oh, you left that the right man.
I know it. See here, I'm just useless as tits on a chicken. We got that motherfucker out of there, old G, and it ain't gonna cost a bunch of money. That's fucking the chicken. Oh hell, you can just carry this. I'll just chain her short. All right. Well, let's look at what we got left. And all this little shit, that's gonna go in burn pile. Unless my Uncle Gene dictates it that. Boy, that would have been a pretty one to make it stand out of.
Sure would have. And I thought rain was bad. What Uncle Gene's doing right now is he's taking all this wood,
Well,
the hard way,
huh?
and putting it over there.
Hey, Superman
Right there.
needs help.
Alright. And I bet you this thing is heavy. As we follow the Dirtman with a big log on his shoulder. Right down here. We're on the side of the shop. Okay, Superman, you can give your shoulder a break. And this is gonna be the bonfire.
That's our bonfire. That is our bonfire. Skimmy yourself right on down there to my Uncle Gene's truck. Go get me a couple of beers.
Okay. I'm not sure if he showed you down here, but they were doing this. I'm going the long way. In fact, it's a shorter route, but it's the long way. Of course, all Supermen, they always have to have, well, they always have to have them some beer. I don't see beer back here. Oh, and by the way, this truck right here is for sale. So if you're interested in this truck right here, please call that number 417-217-1105. It's a 96 Chevy. They're asking for $3,500. Anyway, the number again is 417-217-1105 if you're interested in this truck. The beer does not come with it. But anyway, this is what this looks like. And we did do this one, but we yeah, he doesn't really get it dirty on the inside here. But as you see on the mats and everything looks pretty good in here. But anyway, they're selling this truck, and somehow I think Uncle Gene is going to be needing a beer too. Okay. Come on, man. Anyway, this is the rest of the truck. I'm trying to put stuff in my pockets. But if you're interested in this truck, this is what it looks like. You call that number that I told y'all to ask about, you know. But it's a nice truck, and I didn't get to drive it yet, but I probably will one day. Hopefully before y'all buy it. Anyway, this Dirt Bandit signing off. Until next time.